Hello friends, welcome back to Event Celebrations. Today we're sharing planning a bridal shower. Let's explore elegant themes and set up ideas that will wow your guests and create lasting memories. 1. Garden tea party. Delicate teacups, floral tablecloths, and pastel decorations create a dreamy outdoor bridal shower full of elegance. 2. Boho Chic celebration. Macrame backdrops, dream catchers, and rustic wooden tables make a relaxed yet stylish bridal shower theme everyone will love. 3. Glamorous gold and white golden balloons, shimmering table runners, and white roses transform any space into a chic and luxurious setting. 4. Rustic charm setup. Wooden barrels, fairy lights, and mason jars create a cozy countryside feel, perfect for intimate bridal showers. 5. Parisian-Inspired Theme mini Eiffel towers, French pastries, and soft pink accents bring a romantic Paris-in-love vibe to the event. 6. Beachside Bliss, seashell centerpieces, blue accents, and tropical drinks turn your bridal shower into a mini seaside escape for guests. 7. Vintage Glam party pearl centerpieces, lace table runners, and antique decor pieces bring an old-world charm to your bridal shower. 8. Pastel balloon Wonderland. A giant pastel balloon arch, soft-colored decorations, and confetti make the space light, airy, and picture-perfect. 9. Elegant candlelight dinner. Candlelit tables, soft background music, and delicate flower arrangements create a romantic evening bridal shower theme. 10. Floral fantasy theme. Fresh flowers everywhere, centerpieces, backdrops, and photo booths create a breathtaking, elegant, and fragrant bridal shower experience. Final note: every bridal shower should reflect love, joy, and elegance. Pick a theme, add your personal touch, and celebrate beautifully.